Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how we can easily use the dual connection mode in the Nothing Headphones 1. Here, as you can see, we do have the application, which is the dedicated application for our Nothing headphones. This application is called Nothing X, and here in this application you have to scroll down to the device settings. Here the fourth option we have is dual connection. We have to tap that and enable it using a simple tap here. Here, as you can see, we have up to two devices. We can connect up to two devices. We can check device by tapping on each device, or uncheck when tapping on this check, as you can see. Disconnect, or here we can tap on it. And now we are connecting with the iPhone, David's iPhone. And to disable dual connection, we can easily tap on this slider here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.